Okay. So this topic is de Broglie wavelength, and we'll be solving the numericals based on de Broglie wavelength. So first we need to remember few theories, few formulas of de Broglie. So according to de Broglie theory, the wavelength of de Broglie wave is given by this equation: lambda is equals to h by p, where p is momentum, h is Planck's constant, and momentum can also be written as mass into velocity, and momentum can also be written as root of 2me, where E is the energy of particle or kinetic energy of particle, m is the mass. Okay, or you can see from here lambda is inversely proportional to uh, momentum, or you can say the product of lambda into momentum will be constant. For the second one, you can see again lambda is inversely proportional to velocity, or product of lambda into velocity will be constant. Compare these two. So the product of lambda into root of kinetic energy will be a constant. Okay. Next, de Broglie wavelength associated with charged particle. So we have this formula, de Broglie formula, lambda is equals to h by root 2 me. Okay. So whenever there a charged particle is accelerated by a potential difference v, let's say charge of the particle is q, so kinetic energy it acquires is equal to half mv square, that is also equal to qv. Means energy it has acquired is qv. Now this was our formula of de Broglie wavelength. In this one, in place of energy, just put the value q into v. So you will get the formula of lambda is equals to h by root 2 mqb. So for example, you need to remember this formula. Okay. And you also need to remember when a charged particle is accelerated, the energy gained is q into v. So there are some other formulas. When an electron is accelerated, you can directly use this relation. Wavelength of de Broglie wavelength of electron will be 12.27 by root v angstrom. Similarly, for proton, 0.286 by root v angstrom. For deuteron, 0.202 divided by root v angstrom, and for alpha particles, 0.101 divided by root v angstrom. Okay. So both based on this, we will solve some few numericals. Okay. Thank you.